This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming basic prerequisites. Make sure the Apple Watch has at least 10% charge and that you've closed or noted any active timers or workouts. Once done, press and hold the side button. This is the thin, pill-shaped button below the digital crown until the power options appear. You're doing this because the watch locks those controls behind the soft menu. Holding the side button accesses shutdown without navigating nested settings. So begin here to avoid accidental resets or lost activity data. Now focus on the middle steps. When the power menu is visible, swipe the power off slider to the right to shut down the watch. This cleanly closes apps and preserves your state. If you see SOS or medical ID, avoid them unless it's an emergency, because those trigger calls. If the watch is unresponsive, force restart by holding both the side button and digital crown together for about 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Use force restart only when normal shutdown fails, because it's more abrupt. To complete, power the watch back on by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Make sure you wait for the full boot sequence before checking apps. If the device doesn't respond, place it on its charger and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Charging often clears low battery lockouts. If shutdown or boot problems recur, update Watch OS via the paired iPhone or contact Apple support, because persistent failures can indicate software bugs or battery issues that require a firmware or hardware fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.